Check out this Dungeons and Dragons map. This, I just turned off the light so you guys can see a little bit better, but animation is moving. People do use TVs. But this is the most inexpensive way to turn your regular dull projector and gaming table into an actual digital projector. Now I do have characters on the board, if you guys can see. Here's my first character right there. So if you guys want to make this table with your projector, look at that, simple. Alright, for your next Dungeons and Dragons or gaming, this desk is perfect for those things. First of all, there is a button underneath of it. You separate the pieces, alright? They come out easily. Like, sometimes they get stuck once in a while, that's fine. That's true. Now, don't mind what you see underneath because we just had a game day here. All my buddies came over, friends and family, and we had roulette. Also, this doubles up as a storage place for your excessive games that you have. Let me show you what I did first of all. I went to Home Depot. I bought this material. It's like plastic. It doesn't have reflection. It's flat, right? That's what we want because we don't want to reflect the light anywhere if you're gonna add your projector. I cut it to the dimensions. I was a little bit off on the dimensions, and my dog did step on it, so there's some dirt here and there. But the beautiful thing is that this is washable, and on top of that, you could add things on top of it. So because the material is thick, water won't penetrate. If you spill something on it, it's okay. Just clean it up, wipe it out. So it works great for a projector screen. The material is durable, it's foldable, it's very strong. You can't rip it. You need to cut some heavy duty scissors in order to do that. Now, cutting in your right measurements and putting it in the right place, you can use this anywhere, and it's inexpensive. Instead of buying a projector screen and cutting it yourself and damaging it, this doesn't matter. It's inexpensive that you could cut it as many times as you want. And they have different sizes that you could pretty much fit anywhere. Now this material is more like plastic, all right? So you'll find it in any hardware store that you shop in. All right, so adding your projector almost overhead on the side, you could have two projectors doubling up so no shadows can be seen. But right now we only have one on right now. We are gonna turn on the other one later down the line when I could afford another one. We'll put it on the other right hand side. For right now, I'm just giving you a demo of what you can do on the gaming table. Make it a lot more funner with actually a projector screen. And if you want, you can watch your favorite movies also too, playing doubling as a screen. Now, the area that you're gonna set it up, you gotta make sure you mess around with the actual projector just to get the right angles. I am leaking over right now, if you guys can see, but with a little adjustment, you could easily get it going. I'm just demoing right now how sharp it looks. Looks fearsome. You can see the fire in here. This is something that you can do with your gaming table. Very simple. Now let me show you how it will look on the Dungeons and Dragons map. In a search of your treasures, you go far, far north. Finding those treasures is the only thing that keeps you warm and motivated. You encounter many obstacles in your way, but the enrichment keeps you going. Guys, look at this map. Awesome. You can change the squares from the actual projector. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, make the maps, 3D print your own models, have your friends sit out, have your drinks, coasters here, have your favorite games without having multiple obstacles or anything in the way but a projector and a simple screen. And of course, the table. Turn your dough game table into a digital gaming table, simple with a projector. Look at that. Animation. This is gonna be an ultimate Dungeons and Dragons game with animation moving. Move your characters around. The only question is, who's gonna be your dungeon master? I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.